Assalamualaikum and welcome to a tutorial on computer-based listening test CBLT by yours truly, Muhammad Shazwan. So today we'll be going to the trial version of CBLT so that the students will be able to get used to the test itself, get used to the interface and how they are going to go about on the test itself. So first thing first, your lecturers will be giving you this exe file so that you will be able to do the test on your own. So first things first, make sure you get the exe file from your lecturer. Every week when the CBLT is being conducted, the lecturer will share the exe file for you. So download it, put it in a safe place, and then you run it. When you run it, this is what you will see. So it will tell you, welcome to computer-based listening test, listening ELC121. So this is the first thing that you will see when you open the exe file. Okay, so after that, for you to get into the test, ask from your lecturer their ID or serial number. For this, trial purposes will be doing when you are doing the real test in week 7. Ask from your lecturer the ID or serial number. So let's try it. Okay, so after you get the ID, you put it in the blank there, click on instructor login. So it will say correct name and ID or serial number. So in this box will come out the name of your lecturer. So if you put in the wrong one, and the wrong name will pop out. So that is the first step. Make sure you have your lecturer's ID, and then make sure it's the correct one, put it in, then you log in. So after that, you can click here to begin your e-testing. Right, so this is the second page. You should see that it's in the March, the semester you are in, and it is for the duration for the test. It will give you the instructions and everything, so make sure you read it properly. Okay, then make sure to fill in the blanks here, the details here. So this one is for your matrix number. So for this one, we'll be keying in a dummy one. Alright, so this one is for the IC number, your IC number. Make sure you put it in correctly. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the dummy one. So after you fill it in, click search my information. You must search your information. Okay, this kind of error will happen sometimes when you put in the wrong student ID or the wrong IC, so they cannot find your details. So make sure you check it correctly. Okay, this is just a test. So if you have put it in correctly, you click search again. Okay, then after you put it in correctly, it will come out like this. So you will show your student ID, your IC number, your program code, your class, your group, your campus, your student status, and your full name. So make sure it is correct. Okay, if there is some problem, you may click this button, reset my information. So reset will clear out everything, so that you can fill in it again. So but if you have problems with your name not being in the database, please click here. Okay, you put in your student ID, IC, your program code, group, campus, full name, then you submit if you have problems. But make sure you inform your lecturer first of this problem. After you click begin testing, you will see this interface. So there will be an instruction playing in your earphones or in your laptop or anything. So you listen to the instructions. It will tell you what you have to do, how you have to do it. All right. So for this test, you have 30 minutes. The timer is up here. So it will tell you how much time do you have left. Okay. So whenever you want to start to answer, you must click this one, this audio icon. When you click it, it will play the audio related to the session. So if you click here, it should be playing. Okay, click question 1, then it will playing. Okay, so after you open this is the first question. You select the answer from here, A, B or C. So it won't tell you the wrong answer or the right answer, so it should give you the options in the test. So if you feel like it is C, you just click C. Alright, so when you click that, it will appear down below here. So this shows that you have answered. Alright, so after this, let's try filling in. So after each part, they will play some audio for you. Okay, so make sure you listen properly for the audio so that you will be answer to each item. Okay, so this is how you answer the test. So please make sure that this below here, the selected answer, all 20 should be filled in. If you have like empty spaces between them, it means that you missed a question. So please look into the question that you have missed, open it, and then answer it based on the audio given. Alright, so this is the information given on the questions. Okay, so then read the warning here. Make sure you have answered all 20 questions. If you miss one question, you will miss 1 mark. So each question is 1 mark. So there's 20 mark here for you to get. So make sure you didn't miss any of the questions. Alright, so once you click this button, there is a button down here for you to submit your answer. You submit your for checking. Alright, so after you click that, you are telling us that you are finished the test. You want to submit it and you cannot retake it back again. So make sure you have checked everything, look into everything, make sure it's correct, make sure that it is correct for you. So then click the submit button. Okay, then it will give you a confirmation, so you click yes. If you don't still want to check, you should click no. So what, let's check yes. So this is the last thing that you will see. Okay, so it will come up with your name, ID, your IC and your campus. So you have completed the test, but make sure you don't directly quit this test. Okay, make sure you click this button, read the instructions before you list. Please click on this button. Okay, make sure you click, then you click here. So it will come up that you have counted, generated and saved your total result. Please alert your lecturer before you leave the lab. This is like a few previous instruction, but please alert your lecturer before you close. So after you have counted, you have submitted, you click the count answers button. So what you have to do next, you should not close this first. Okay, ask your lecturer whether your marks is in the system or not, or maybe the lecturer give you the links, you can check it by yourself. Make sure your mark is in the system. If your marks is not in the system, what you can do is that look at this button, this text, CBLT text. If you check your marks is not in the system, click the CBLT button, the word here, then it will give you the button to count your scores again. So if you then you can click it again, so it will try to upload it again. Right, so make sure if your marks is not there, click CBLT, then click the button again. Make sure when you are doing the test, it is at least connected to the internet, because the process of uploading the scores requires internet connection. So check it, click the button. If it's not in the system, click CBLT, then click the button again, then check until your marks is there. Refresh the website where the marks will be there. Okay, then you don't close it again. Please help us to make this test better, by taking a survey before you quit. So click this one. So you have sent your test, click yes to take a survey. There will be a survey here. So each of the following statement, please answer accordingly, like strongly disagree, agree, neutral, agree, and strongly agree. So click the question, then you answer agree, then I agree. So like the test, when you write up respond to the survey, the responses will come up in here. So make sure all of this have numbers in it. Okay, so after you completed the survey, click done and click to submit. Yes, okay, then submit. So it will come up like the same like that. Just click send survey responses. Okay, so after you've done the survey, then you have completed the task. So congratulations, thank you. You have listened to this tutorial. Hopefully it helps. We'll be giving you a guide, written guide on it, on how you can get through this test as well, so that if the video can help you as well as the tag. Okay, so if you want to quit from this after you finish the test, just click this quit button. If you want to start a new test, I don't know why, but if you want to start, you can click here. So it will bring you back to the beginning. Okay, so thank you very much for listening to me. This is a tutorial on how to do CBLT. Hopefully it will help you get prepared and get used to the test itself. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum and see you next time.